In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this multi-coil mesh. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In the top orthographic view, let's type Tab to go to edit mode, and type G to move the circle like this. If we hold Ctrl, we can snap the mesh to the grid. In order to create a multi-coil mesh, we must position the circles correctly. Again, please hold Ctrl while moving the mesh with G, so the mesh would snap to the grid. Let's place it here, and Shift-D to duplicate. Let's place the duplicated one like this. We need 2 more. In edit mode, please deselect, and use the mouse hover method with L to link select. We need to rearrange the positions of the circles like this. The circles don't have to look exactly like mine, as we'll be using the screw modifier with relocated origin. I'll change the theme, so we can see what we're doing. This is the shape I'm going to be using. Notice the origin is at the world center, and once we screw the mesh it would look like a normally screwed pole. We've already learned how to do this from the previous tutorials. In order to multi-coil the mesh, we must move the mesh's origin. Let me show you an example. This is what we're looking to make, and it's a pretty complex object. I had to apply the screw modifier in order to use 2 separate materials. I'll open its original mesh save file. Please examine where the mesh's origin is. Right here. Let's go back to the original save file, and relocate the origin to match this. Select this vertex and Shift-S to move the 3D cursor there. After that, move the origin to the 3D cursor. There we go. Let's apply new materials. We can't apply the second material at this state, because we're still dealing with mesh circles. We must apply the modifier first, and use the link select method to isolate the pole mesh. After that we can apply the second material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.